In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders in Google Keep 5 minutes. We'll go from opening Google Keep to setting a clear, reliable reminder on any note so you never miss an important task again. Start on your Google browser while signed into your Google account. In the top right corner, click the Google Apps grid icon, the little square made of dots. From the menu, choose Keep. This opens Google Keep on the web, where you can see your notes, labels, and the reminders section on the left. Once you're in Keep, decide whether you want to create something new or use a note you already have. To create a new note, click the Take a Note area at the top and type a short, clear title and a few details. If you already have a note you want to be reminded about, simply click it to open. Now look for the Remind Me option inside the note. On desktop, it appears as a small bell icon with a plus sign. Click that, and you'll see a few quick choices like later today, tomorrow, or next week. These presets are great if you just need a fast nudge. For something more precise, choose Pick Date and Time. Select the exact day from the calendar, then set the time that works best for you. If you're planning ahead, make sure the date is correct and the time is realistic. Give yourself enough lead time to act on the reminder. After you pick the date and time, confirm your selection. You'll see a reminder chip appear on the note, which means it's scheduled. If you need to change it, click that chip to adjust the date or time. If the reminder is no longer needed, you can remove it from the same spot. A quick tip for reliability: make sure you're signed into the same Google account on all your devices and allow notifications in your browser and on the Keep mobile app. This helps the reminder appear on your phone and desktop right when you need it. Also, check your device's Do Not Disturb settings if you're not hearing alerts. You'll find any note with a scheduled reminder listed under the Reminders section on the left side of Keep. This is a nice way to see everything time sensitive in one place. Keep automatically brings the reminder back to the top when it's due, so important items don't get buried. That's it. You've opened Google Keep, created or opened a note, and set a time-based reminder that will notify you across your devices. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with Google Keep.